Guys, this is Marie bringing you my February 22nd haul. That's Saturday, February 22nd. I normally wait probably all week before I go out and do my hauls. I take my time, and so lately I've been getting out on Saturdays. So the first store that I went to was CVS, and I used the rain check, and I bought the Colgate toothpaste, the traveling, two of them. Remember a few weeks ago they were selling them for $3, and then you got $3 ECB back, and so I ended up getting $6 for both of them. And then that brought me to my next transaction, which was the toothbrushes, and I had a rain check for that also. And I also had a manufacturer coupon where I got one of the toothbrushes totally free. So they sent me a coupon that was for $5.99, and so I rolled the ECBs from the $6 from here and used the manufacturer coupon as well. And I bought two toothbrushes, so I got these totally free. Just paid the tax, was like, I don't know, like 80 cents or something like that, or less. And then I ended up throwing, and I got an ECB for buying these two, because when you spent 12, you got $6 back. And so I got this toothbrush totally free. Like I said, I'm using rain checks from the previous weeks so that I can bring my total down as low as possible. So then I did this transaction here and bought more toothpaste. And once again, this was the same deal. I used the rain check, and I got $3. I paid $3 for each of them, and I got a $3 ECB. So I ended up, for each one, I ended up getting $12. And this was also part of the sale, if you guys didn't know from the last time. So if you have those rain checks, you can buy this. This is the pack that they probably didn't have in a lot of the stores. It's the Colgate Optic White. So you could use that. So then, and I also used the $4 off of 12 on some of my transactions, since I ended up finding out that we were going to get those. I ended up buying the Eucerin probably before I did any of these deals here, or probably did it last. I can't remember in what order I did it, but I ended up buying two of the Crest, and the Crest were like $5.99 in my store, between $5.49 $5.99. And you bought two of them, like spent $10 and got a $5 ECB, so I got that. And the Eucerin, I could not find the small bottle, so these are the bigger bottles, and one was $8.29. They're the same size, the 16.9, and the only difference is the formula probably that they're using, or what it advertises on it. One says smoothing repair dry skin lotion, and then this one is daily replenishing. And so I don't remember which one cost the $13.29 or whatever, and one was $8.29. So it brought me up to the total that you needed for the $20, where you buy $20 with the Eucerin, and then you got the $10 ECB. Like I said, I used with this, I used the $150 off coupon. I was hoping to get the smaller bottles like everybody else, so that I could use 4 of them. I ended up doing only 2 of those, and then throwing in one of the $4 off of 12, and some ECBs, and then turning around and getting the ECB on that. Then I ended up doing, for the very first time, it's been very hard for my daughter and I, she comes with me sometimes, Liliana, to get any of the makeup or anything like that, and use those 4 off of 12s or whatever they are, the CVS coupons. But this time we were able to, and we were able to buy the Maybelline, because we had the $3 off of Maybelline. And the first transaction kind of went wrong. I owed them $13 is what they were saying at the end, And so I was using, like I said, the 4 off of 12, and using the $3 off of each of the products. And one of them, I'm trying to remember how much it was. Like one was $9.99, and the other one was probably $8. It was a little over $8. You needed to bring it up to, I don't remember exactly, like I think $12. I thought that it was $12 actually. I was confused as what it was. I thought that I was going to get an ECB, but actually there was no ECB for the Maybelline. That was for other makeup. What it was that the Maybelline, you were supposed to get buy one and then get 50% off. And that's the reason the transaction kept messing up. And it was not the young man's fault. It was that the machine was not deducting the $4 off at the end. It kept asking me to give them $4, and I know that if you tell me that I owe you $13 and I give you $12 in coupons and everything, I cannot owe you $4. So we did this transaction. A manager came over actually and fixed it manually, and we were able to do that transaction, and I only paid them $1 or less, or 80 cents or whatever that I owe them. Only the tax, I believe, like 80 cents or something on it. And then I went ahead and I did this transaction because I needed to get some blush. I don't have blush, and unfortunately I was not able to do the Target deal where I would have been able to get all of these pretty much for free or pennies, where you put use the $3 Maybelline coupon and then a $2 stack Target coupon. So I wasn't able to do that, so I'm glad I got to do this deal, because all of the makeup that I bought, because we used the 4 off of 12 and we used the $3 coupons on each of the products and so forth, we barely had to pay any money for them. So I'm happy with those 3 transactions. We ended up doing a third one because it went so well, and these are the Fit Me makeup, and those are the coupons that we use, were the Maybelline $3 off of, I believe, Fit Me or any other face product. Then I went to Target, and I ended up, the coupons were expiring, so ended up doing the Fantastic. And I had a coupon from the pharmacy that they mailed to me, and it was $1.50 off of 2. And then I used a 75-cent coupon that came in, I don't know which of the inserts, but there's a 75-cent coupon, and it's for the Fantastic. And if they have not been having them stock in the last few weeks, now Target does have it stocked, and they're $2.49 each. So what happened was I ended up basically getting buying 3 and then getting 3 free, and so that was a pretty good deal because I needed cleaning product. And then the last deal at Target that I did was dog food. I normally buy a big pack of dog food, but I want to let you guys know that there's one for $5, like $5.99, and there was a high value coupon of $2, so you're able to use that on here. And if you're able to get the stack, which I had found out that there was a stack for this, which would have made them just probably 99 cents or hardly anything, I was not able to use that stack because mine had expired, or by the time I found out about it. So if it resets or whatever, then you're able to get these for like 99 cents or so or less. So, and then if they throw in, like, let's say a gift card, then you're even better off because it'll be a total money maker. I also wanted to bring to you you guys' attention that the toaster strudel, inside some of the boxes, but you have to look on the outside. My daughter brought to my attention that it said that there was a coupon inside. So the coupon is for buy 1 toaster strudel and you get a little small mini bag of pancakes for free. So just be aware of that. And thank you for watching my haul. Oh, I forgot that I did the M&Ms. They were 75 cents. And I just threw basically those into the transaction. And then by the time I was done, I went in with 19 ECBs and came back out with $15.75 in ECBs because I kept throwing in my ECBs into the transaction. I would have came out with absolutely more, but it's smarter to pay less money out of your pocket. So thank you for watching my haul. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Thank you.